Hey, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Olivia and I'm a gender affirming voice teacher. And in this video, I'm going to do a little YouTube review. I am always interested in sort of the somatic aspects of the voice, that the voice is a part of our whole body and connected to so many other things that we do. So I'm always interested in yoga as a part of voice training. So I've been following a creator on YouTube whose name is Rosie, and her channel is called Vox Yoga. And she kind of brings those things together. She brings yoga and voice together. So I thought it'd be cool to do one of her videos and kind of tell you what I think, if I think that this is kind of an interesting thing to work on. Okay, so on her website, Vox Yoga with Rosie, body, breath, mind, and voice. We love it. We love it all. So she says yoga for singers and voice users, allowing singers to explore and free their voice, body and mind through yoga, breath work, and vocal techniques. So Rosie works with singers to find their unique voice and to sing with ease and confidence. With over 10 years of performing and teaching experience, Rosie uses a holistic approach to explore the voice as a whole instrument. So I'm really on board with all of these things. So this is really cool too. Vox Yoga is a holistic approach to voice training, considering the voice as a whole instrument. So I think that that's really important and something that has been important in my own life, that, taking care of my voice and understanding my voice is not just voice practice. It's my whole body. And I think that for me, exercising, doing yoga, the things that I eat and drink, all of those things are kind of a part of me and a part of my voice. So she also uses breath work and meditation, mindfulness, all these things. So super great. And it looks like she's completed the Still levels 1 and 2, which is a super cool training program. And she also is a certified yoga teacher. So she really combines those certifications well, it seems. Okay, so here's her YouTube page. So she's got a lot of videos about breathing and stretching, releasing the hips, standing, physical warm-ups, the sort of chakra kind of stuff. So I actually did this one, the Reconnect to Your Voice video. Okay, so in this video, she says this practice will help you refocus, reset, and reconnect to your voice. And we move through some simple yoga flows and pause and postures to add some sound. And that's what I was kind of interested in. And this practice is accompanied by a relaxing drone to allow you to hum and vocalize freely as you wish. So that was kind of my favorite thing about this video. So it was really cool that she had this drone and we would get into a posture, and none of these were super challenging. So she would kind of pause, let's say in like tabletop position, and that drone would be going, and she would invite you to hum and kind of connect with your body in that hum, and then also connect that with your ears. And, I was kind of playing around with different harmonies and dissonant sounds and stuff like that. So it was really, really fun.
And then when you're ready, you can start to add your sound, add your vocalizing.
So I really like the pace of this flow. It was slow, and you were just kind of in a posture for a while, focusing on your breath, focusing on vocalizing with this drone. So this isn't like a, regular yoga flow necessarily. It's not quite kind of a workout. It's not I would call it more of a meditation, really, to get in touch with your body and in touch with your voice. So I think that this video in particular, which I'm sure she's got a ton more that I haven't seen or haven't done, could be really helpful for someone if you are struggling to feel the sensations involved in singing or in speaking, that you're experiencing maybe a lot of tension around your voice or anxiety around your voice. I think a practice like this could be really beneficial. I think I've struggled with this in the past, where it's kind of like, okay, I want the answer to my problem. I can't connect with my voice. So tell me exactly what I need to do to fix that problem. When I actually think that a lot of issues that come up with the voice, the solution actually comes from awareness. It's not with singing, I think a lot of people think, okay, you got to do the XYZ exercises. If I do these exercises, I'm going to get to this point. And really, it's about getting to know yourself and taking time and being aware of yourself. So that's not like the easiest thing to hear. It's like you want change in your voice, whether you're healing your voice in some way, whether you're working on vocal feminization or singing voice or whatever you're working on. I think that slowing down, and this is a great opportunity to kind of slow down, get in touch with your body, and give yourself a minute. Give yourself a moment to connect, rather than saying like, I'm not doing X, Y, and Z. Like, what exercises should I be doing? Maybe don't do and just feel. And I think that's what I really got from this. So I felt good afterward. I felt like I was really kind of relaxed and really really loved the drone idea. That was really cool. So I don't know if she does that in her normal lessons and stuff too. But anyway, I'd really recommend, if you're having a problem connecting with your body, with your voice, to go check out her page, because I think there's a lot of really cool stuff in there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you head on over there and do a little Vox Yoga flow, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.